Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing, specifically a platform called Wealthsimple that's been making waves for its claim of free investing. Now, before you get all starry-eyed about magically multiplying your money, let's break down what free really means in this context. Because spoiler alert, there's usually a catch, right? So, if you've been curious about Wealthsimple but the whole free thing sounds too good to be true, you're in the right place. We'll be cracking open their fee structure, exploring their different account options, and figuring out exactly how much it costs, or doesn't cost, to invest with them. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, a quick rewind for those who might be new to investing. Basically, Wealthsimple is an online platform that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, basically, a basket of stocks that track a particular market segment, and even some crypto. But that's a whole other story for another day. They cut out the middleman, the fancy financial institutions with their hefty fees, and make investing more accessible, especially for beginners. Okay, with that foundation set, let's get down to brass tacks. The good news? Wealthsimple boasts commission-free stock trading. That means you won't get slapped with a fee every single time you buy or sell a stock. This is a major perk, especially if you're a frequent trader or just starting out and want to make smaller investments to test the waters. But wait, there's more, because, as we mentioned, free doesn't always mean completely free. There are a couple of sneaky fees to watch out for. One is a 1.5% currency conversion fee. This applies if you're trading US-listed securities from a Canadian dollar account. So, if you're eyeing that hot new American tech stock, you'll pay a small conversion fee on top of the stock price itself. Another thing to consider is their managed investing accounts. These are essentially robo-advisors that build and manage a portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Here, there are some management fees involved. They range from 0.4% to 0.5% depending on the tier of service you choose and the amount of money you have invested. So, the more you invest, the lower the fee becomes as a percentage. There are also some other minor fees to be aware of, like a 2.5% fee for instant withdrawals. But these are pretty standard across most investment platforms. Alright, so to summarize, Wealthsimple offers commission-free stock trading, which is a huge plus. However, there are currency conversion fees and fees associated with their managed investing accounts. Now, the big question, is it worth it? Well, that depends on your investing style and goals. If you're a beginner looking to dabble in stocks and ETFs without breaking the bank, Wealthsimple's commission-free structure is definitely attractive. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate even for newbies. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned investor with a large portfolio, you might find the management fees a bit steep. In that case, you might want to explore other options that offer lower fees for larger investments. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to do your research and compare Wealthsimple to other investment platforms. Consider factors like fees, account options, investment products offered, and the overall user experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.